Welcome to online practical session of Mechanical Measurement and Metrology. Myself Abhishek Trivedi from Mechanical Engineering Department at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to start our practical with the aim of to measure the angle by using the bevel protector. Bevel protector is a kind of instrument which is used to measure the angle. The particular image shows the actual photograph of the bevel protector. Before going to start the measurement of angle of a given workpiece, we can say any kind of the taper workpiece by using the bevel protector. First of all, let us understand the constructional details of the bevel protector, and then we are moving on to the measurement of the angle. In the particular bevel protector, we have a scale. This is a main scale, and we have the auxiliary scale over here. Okay, the first one, as you can see from the image, okay, we have the main scale as well as auxiliary scale. We have the two types of the scale. In a main scale side, we have the in the particular bevel protector, we have the scale in a, let's say, white and the blue color. Okay, both the scales are starting from 0 to 180 degree as per the rotation of the blade. This is a blade made up of the steel material. Okay, we have the locking screw which is used to lock the scale for measurement purpose. Then the dial has been provided over here. The dial is used to check the reading for auxiliary scale, and this is known as a stock. This particular component is known as a stock for holding the workpiece properly as well as to holding the workpiece and at a very perfect angle. Okay, to measure the angle, we have to insert our component over here. Okay, and once the component has been inserted, as the blade is moving in one particular direction, okay, as per the direction of the blade, the scale will open and we can find the reading. In this particular bevel protector, there are on the dial side, we have number of division starting from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9 and then 10. In between 1 to 2, or we can say in between 2 to 3, 3 to 4, we have total 12 number of division, and each of the division represent 5 minutes. Okay, though the bevel protector measure the angles in terms of degree, but auxiliary scale is in terms of the minute. Okay, so we have at the time of reading, we have the combination of degree and minute, and then we have to convert the minute into the degree. We know that for 60 minutes there is a 1 degree. So by using this particular conversion, we can convert our reading. So let's start practical. As we have discussed the particular bevel protector, here this is the bevel protector. The particular portion of the bevel protector is known as a stock. This is your steel blade, and the dial with a pointer has been provided over here. The 1 division shows the 5 minutes each in the dimensions. As you can check from the particular as you can check from the dial, then we have the total 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on numbering has been provided. Each number has the total 12 different further divisions. So let us start to take the okay, we have the workpiece, and if we have to measure the particular angle of this particular workpiece, okay, by using the bevel protector. So what we have to do, we have to just extend your particular blade of the bevel protector, then place your workpiece like this and start to make a proper contact with your blade and the workpiece. Okay, adjust your workpiece properly. So as you can check that the particular bottom surface has been properly placed with the stock, and the top surface has been properly placed with the blade. Now to remove your workpiece and to lock your scale. Now the scale has been locked. Put your bevel protector firmly over the surface, then start to reading. Now how to take the reading? So you can check in the particular dial caliper that we have the small box over here and the small pointer has been provided over here. Now check the position of this particular small pointer. From the small box, you can check that the particular pointer has been placed in between the 40 and 50. So we can say that the minimum distance, the minimum angle of the particular given component, that is a 40 degree. So this 40 degree is known as your main scale reading. Now we have to measure the auxiliary scale reading. So as you can check, the box has been shows the white scale. So we have to measure the dial over the white scale. The white scale is extreme scale is known as a white scale. So to measure the particular pointer position, that the pointer is placed over the 5 number division.
Now, as I have told you that from 0 to 1 we have the total 12 different division. From 1 to 2 we have total 12 different division. Same way from 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 5 we have total number of 12 divisions. So we can say that if we are moving from 0 and if we are going to the 5, we have covered the total 60 divisions, and each division will cover 5 minutes. So we can say that our auxiliary scale reading, that is your 60 division into 5 minutes. So we can say that we have the 300 minutes. Now we are moving to the reading portion.
Okay, we have taken the reading. Now let us go for the calculation. Before going for the calculation, first of all let us understand what is least count. So the least count is the smallest value that can be measured by measuring instrument, is known as the least count. For particular bevel protector, the least count is 5 minutes. As I have told you in the theory section that the least count, or we can say the minimum distance or minimum dimension that can be measured, that is one division, and the one division represents the 5 minutes. So the least count for the bevel protector is a 5 minute. Now let us go for the calculation. We have the formula for the reading, that is final reading is equal to main scale reading plus auxiliary scale reading into the least count. Now whatever the reading that we have taken in the practical, our main scale reading, that is 40 degree, and our auxiliary scale reading, that is 60 division. Now we have discussed that each of the division represent 5 minutes. So I can say that the final reading is equal to 40 degree plus 60 into 5 minutes. So we can say that we have the result of 40 degree and 300 minutes. Now as we have discussed that for 60 minutes we have the 1 degree. So I can say that 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So for 300 minutes we have the 5 degree. So our final reading will be 40 degree plus 5 degree is equal to 45 degree. That's our final reading for our practical. Okay. Thank you for today's practical session. Thank you so much.